Hi Lynette, this is Marianne. We're actually going to go over how to post my savings deals for the blog. I know you know how to post, so I'm just going to go over what my style is so that you can do it the same as how I do it. That way I can have them consistent. In any event, you start out going to mysavings.com, which is where we're at, but we're going to go to mysavings.com. Once you're brought to the site, we're going to go into free samples. That is where we need to post. Free samples and free stuff. Those are the two spots. So for free samples, we can use anything that starts below contribute to my savings. Anything above we can't use because those are not actually free items. So we're going to go ahead and go this. So we're going to do first 1,000 free Nexus Youth renewal. So you click on the link, you copy it, then you actually go to the Shoppers Hall website, and to find a sample post that you can start from, type free sample. That way we can use what we've already done and just duplicate the post. That way the formatting stays the same and the process is the same. So you hit this button that says duplicate. And once you're brought to the post, you actually fill in the information from the My Savings post. So we're going to get rid of this, and we're going to put the title that they gave us. We don't need any of this embedded information, so you can get rid of that. We're going to go with that. Then we're going to go back to My Savings. We're going to right click on the image, save image as. You can download it. Make sure you name it what the item is so that it's findable. We're going to copy this text, and then we need to lastly check availability to make sure it works. You'll see that it actually takes you to something, or there it is. It says claim your gift. Actually, this is a nice picture, so you can take, if you want to take that picture, if you can, which it won't let you, so you can't do that. But in any event, you've gotten everything you need here. Now we go back to Shoppers Hall. To get rid of the picture that's there, click on it and then hit that. We're going to upload by clicking the Upload Insert button. Select your file, and it's going to go into my pictures. There's my image. So we're going to do two things when it actually comes up. We're going to set for featured image. Down here, we're going to use as featured image. Click that first. Once it actually changes to done down here, then you insert into post. Once it's in the post, you've actually cut and paste over the text from the previous post where we actually took that information. And it's score free sample, click to claim your gift, valid for the first 1,000 only. I already have the link in this Get Your Free Sample Today. So in order to copy it, go in here, copy, and then click your image, click this paper clip, paste the link, open in new window tab, and then update. And there you have it. You've got our post. So we've got everything set the way we want. Then what you need to do is you can just go ahead and save to draft, or actually just say pending review, say OK, and then save as pending. And then I will go through and I will check all the ones that you've done just to make sure that we've got them correctly and that the links work so that you understand exactly how to post them all. It is really pretty simple if we're just using the same things over and over again. The idea behind these, I get paid per click. So these posts should actually be shared 3 times a day. So first in the morning, then again in the afternoon, and then again in the evening. So if you manually share them once during the day and then put them in Hootsuite 2 other times, that way I actually have more opportunity to get paid per click. So we'll do another one. We're back in the free sample section. We're going to go send for a free 7-day bottle of krill oil. Right click, save image as, and we're going to call it krill oil. Copy that. Check the availability to make sure that it's still good, because these go really fast. I don't see a free sample here, but the still link works. So it says order now. Click where the red holiday banner is and click order now. So as long as we go in there, red holiday banner, which I don't know if I see a red holiday banner. I don't see a holiday banner. I don't know that I would use that one because it says scroll to the very bottom of the page. So let's do what they say. Scroll to the very bottom of the page. Oh, it's this holiday banner. So there it is. Click that link and then it takes you to the free giveaway. Oh, and it says we've reached our limit. So please check back on November 27th. So I would go ahead and post it because it starts again tomorrow. So then I would go through, edit my post, go back to all posts, and go into, we've already done a free sample, so go ahead and hit duplicate. And we're going to copy our we're going to just clean it up so that it makes sense. We're going to get rid of the image that we had. We're going to go back and we're going to update. To our krill picture. We're going to put it in featured image. Once it's done, we're going to say insert into post. We're going to go back to this here. And we're going to cut and paste right there. Get rid of the link, read more. We don't want that. So this says note it's a daily giveaway. So then I'm actually going to make that italics. So this is telling us that this is a daily giveaway, which means we should be able to post this every day for a while. So that would be the way that works. Then we go back to the link, which is http MySavings. This is the link. Click that. Make it so that it says open link in new tab. And there we have it. So we've got our free sample. So that what I did was I made the image clickable. That way if a lot of people click on the image, it will take them right to the page that we need to. So you're going to go ahead and hit save pending review, say OK, and then save as pending. And that's really sort of it. Now, this page moves really fast on MySavings.com. So the best thing to do is to post them early in the morning because these go really quick. So once you get to the bottom of the page, they scroll, they scroll pretty fast. You can always go to page 2 and page 3, but you need to tell people in the post, scroll to page 2 to find your offer, if we're going to do that. So I really like to stick to the first page only. So just because it sort of lets users actually be able to do that. So we know that finish one is working. So we're going to right click, save as, save image as, finish, and then we're going to do this copy again. So I'm sure you'll get this. This is a piece of cake and you're smart. So you are a fast learner and I don't think there'll be a problem. So I'd go back into my posts and then I would duplicate again. See, all of them say pending, which means then those are ones that I'm going to check. So eventually I don't want to have to check them. I would assume you'd be able to post them without me looking at them. But for the first week or so, maybe we can just have me look at them. So free sample, finish quantum dish detergent. I cleaned it up so that it just makes sense. Then I go back into my post, click that again. There we go. Get rid of this. Copy my link again because that's what I need. Go to visual, click the paper clip. There we go. So you got your free sample today. And then we would do save depending again. And save depending. So that's how it works with the free samples and free stuff. The free stuff works the same. It's a different link, so I will have to give you the link for free stuff, but it's the same sort of deal. But a lot of these things are things that I actually get credit for in a different way, so we're going to post those a little differently. So for right now, focus on free samples and go through. If you see, for example, you go to page 2, and if you want to post this Seattle's Best Coffee that's on page 2, make sure you check the availability and you see that it's still available. Well, that was a Black Friday special, so you may find that you run out of deals, but that's the way it works. So free samples, and try to stick to the first page. So if we can get them all in on the day, that'd be great. I've done already this 1,000. I've done this one. We've done this one. There's a few left that need to be done. I started here at free sample of Garnier yesterday, so I've got those posted for the most part. So we're good. We're current as of today. So if you just keep an eye on what posts throughout the day, you can grab them and post them, and that would be terrific. So hopefully that makes sense and I didn't bore you to death. And if you have questions, you know how to reach me. Hit me on Skype. I'm there. But all in all, I think that's how we post our free samples from MySavings. Thanks, Lynette. Have a great day.